How to get a great deal on a brand new Jeep Wrangler. In today's unprecedented market, the typical Jeep consumer is paying $5,000 over MSRP on the front end of their new Jeep purchase and thousands more on the back end on lease or finance rate markups. Dealers will hit you with bogus add-ons like protection packages and tints that are mandatory and outrageously overpriced. Here you can see an actual deal on a Wrangler 392. The dealer made nearly $32,000 front end on the deal and almost an additional $20,000 on the back end on products, add-ons, and rate markups. So pretty much this client went through the ringer and got taken full advantage of. The crazy thing is, things like this happen on a daily basis. Like most brands, inventory is limited and dealers make every effort to maximize profits on each and every unit. I mean, someone has to pay for all that free coffee and water. However, with all that being said, scoring an amazing deal on a new Jeep in this market is still very possible. Jeep orders, unlike other manufacturers, do not count against a dealer's recurring allocation bank. This simply means that if a particular dealer is assigned 100 units a month by the manufacturer, submitting an order doesn't count against their recurring allocation. This is not the case with most other manufacturers, so no harm, no foul here. Jeep dealers can submit hundreds of orders and still get their full monthly allotment of units to sell. So what's the benefit then to the dealer? Turn and earn. Not only do they earn additional units the more units they move, they actually at a minimum get their documentation or processing fee, a flat from the bank, and money from the manufacturer from their service department conducting a pre-purchase inspection. So how can you take advantage of this? Well, it can be pretty simple. Step 1, put your custom vehicle build together and download the PDF from Jeep.com. Step 2, join the FCA affiliate rewards program via TreadLightly. This affiliate will help you get an additional 1% off MSRP, and it also helps the dealer with a 1% contribution from the Stellantis. There's a link down below in the description box that will show step-by-step instructions. Step 3, put together a short email with your request and target the store sales manager of a few stores local to you. It can look something like this. Make the message short, straight to the point, and offer to immediately submit a deposit with your order. Your mileage may vary, so plan on expanding your radius if necessary. For a more realistic example, you could be receiving 5 to 6% off invoice, which is about 9 to 10% off MSRP. So once you find a dealer to lock your deal, the wait is about 8 to 15 weeks, and sometimes as early as 4 weeks. Not only can this work on Jeep, the process is pretty much identical with Dodge, Ram, and Chrysler. Now you could follow all the steps I mentioned and get a great deal yourself, but if you want to skip all the work and research and save yourself some more time, feel free to reach out to us here at Lease Companion. We do charge a $4.99 fee, but in the end, you will still be saving time, headache, and thousands of dollars on your vehicle. You'll get a great deal on the front end and no markup on the back end with a 100% guaranteed discount when we link you to the dealership. After the 8 to 15 week waiting period, you can either pick up your vehicle or get it shipped to you anywhere in the US at your expense. We also have reviews on Google from our past clients that we have helped save thousands of dollars from all types of cars. You can also get in touch with us and talk to a real team member for any questions or for more information. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe and like button, and to keep closer tabs on up-to-date car deals, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Visit leasecompanion.com/inquire to get started, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more great car content.